Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission stops responding. The car won't shift, or worse, it goes into limp mode. You check the OBD-II scanner and it shows code P0885. Transmission relay control circuit open. This means the transmission control relay isn't supplying power to the transmission module, which can completely disable shifting. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you where the key sensors and relays are located, the common causes, and how to fix this issue step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0885? DTC P0885 means that the transmission control module isn't receiving power from the transmission control relay. Without power, the TCM can't operate the transmission, leading to serious shifting problems. Common symptoms of P0885. If your car has this code, you may experience transmission stuck in limp mode, no response from the transmission, delayed or rough shifting, check engine light on, and transmission warning light on. Sensor and component location, very important. Transmission control relay, usually found in the fuse box under the hood, near the battery. Some vehicles have it inside the dashboard fuse panel. Transmission control module, typically located in the engine bay, near the battery or fuse box. In some vehicles, it's inside the transmission housing, requiring removal of the transmission pan. Wiring and power circuits run from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. What causes P0885? Here are the most common causes: faulty transmission control relay, blown transmission relay fuse, loose or corroded TCM connector, short circuit or open circuit in the wiring, or faulty transmission control module. How to fix P0885? Step 1, check the transmission relay. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 2, inspect the relay fuse, replace if blown. Step 3, check the wiring harness. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires. Step 4, inspect the TCM connector. Clean any corrosion and secure the connection. Step 5, test battery voltage at the relay. Step 6, if necessary, replace the TCM. Step 7, clear the code using an OBD2 scanner and test drive your car. Final words: if P0885 isn't fixed, your transmission won't receive power and may stop working completely. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.